Hello, I'm Dan Meadenbow and I'm a partner with Roy Zawidia King, leading the commercial and technology practice for the firm, with a specialism in sort of aerospace and drones as well. And I'm joined by...
My name is Simon Phippard. I'm of counsel in the aviation practice of Bird & Bird in London. I've been practicing aviation law for pretty much all of my career, and there's been a lot of focus over the last 5 or 6 years in drones and unmanned aircraft.
In this webinar, we'll be discussing drone regulation and some of the laws behind that, and I'll also be touching on GDPR and data protection compliance and some of the issues that operators will need to be aware of when planning and running their drone operations.
And we've designed the webinar with an aim to being of interest to anybody who's deploying or using drone technology or supplying equipment or services for it. So that's customers of drone services, it's operators of drones, whether businesses that are using drones as an incidental part of what they do, or whether it's, if you like, the raison d'etre of their entire operation. But it also covers infrastructure, whether that be drone ports, suppliers of air traffic management services, and others who are interested in the sector, such as investors and insurers.
And if that sounds like it could be of interest to you, then we look forward to you joining our webinar on the 13th of March.